Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add and remove the SIM pin on Motorola Edge 50. In order to lock the SIM, we need to go to the settings, then we need to scroll down to find security and privacy, then once again scroll down and go to more security and privacy, then once again scroll down, but this time find SIM lock and then tap it. Now over here, in order to lock our SIM, then we need to tap the slider, and after that we need to enter our SIM pin code. So I'm gonna choose mine, tap OK, and there we go. Now we have our SIM locked. If we want to change the SIM pin, then over here we have the option by tapping this one over here. At first we need to enter our old SIM pin code, and then confirm by pressing OK, and then we need to enter a new pin code, and then once again tap OK. We need to enter the same new code once again, and there we go, SIM pin changed successfully. If you want to deactivate the lock SIM, then of course we need to tap the slider and then enter the pin code. And there we go. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.